Hello, aviation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of the Boeing Dreamlifter, a unique and impressive aircraft that's a key part of the Boeing 747 family. This massive cargo plane is designed to transport Boeing 787 Dreamliner parts between Italy, Japan, and the US, ensuring efficient assembly processes. For these innovative aircraft, the Boeing Dreamlifter is truly a remarkable machine. Despite only for built, it stands as one of the most visually striking and rare cargo planes in existence. At almost 250 feet long, it's the longest cargo aircraft in the world, and with a volume of 65,000 cubic feet, it can hold 3 times that of a typical 747 for OOF freighter. As mentioned in your user input, this unique aircraft belongs to Atlas Air, a US-based airline specializing in global freight and charter services. These behemoths are used exclusively for transporting aircraft parts to Boeing from suppliers around the world. Right now, one of these Dreamlifters has landed at Miami International Airport for maintenance work, an exciting sight for any aviation enthusiast. If you're ever in Miami and keep an eye on the airport runways, you might just spot one of these incredible planes taking off or landing. So there you have it, a fascinating glimpse into the world of the Boeing Dreamlifter. I hope this has given you a deeper appreciation for this remarkable piece of engineering history. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about aviation history and innovations like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We have lots more fascinating content coming your way soon. Until next time, happy flying!